I've been thinking about something really. I was thinking maybe all these drug smuggling, cocaine carrying boats that have been getting blown up by the drones, could it be possible that they're just distractions? I mean, think about it. Unless these drug runners don't watch the news or pay attention to anything that's going on in the world, okay? Why would they keep sending these boats out there, knowing that these drones are above lurking, just waiting to pounce on them? I mean, that's a lot of their product being wasted in the ocean. I'm sure the sharks and the fish might benefit from it, but think about it. Probably millions of dollars of their products are being blown up by drones every time they attempt. I find it hard to believe that the drug runners do not watch the news at a minimum, that they don't know that every time one of those boats heads out to sea, there's a drone with their number on it. But it's worse. Forget the drugs for a second, people. They themselves are getting blown up and killed. uh, I find it hard to believe that no matter how poor and broke the drug runners are, I find it hard to believe that they're that dumb and stupid and devoid of news that they would keep sending their boats out into the ocean with their $1 million of products, whatever it is, drugs, who knows what types, knowing that there's drones above just waiting to pounce on them. That don't make no sense. I find it easier to believe that maybe they're running these boats out as a distraction, occupying the drones and whoever's watching so they can take their drugs another route safely, right? I don't know, people. What do you think? You think they're that dumb to keep running their boats or their drugs out there into the ocean and getting blown up and they're losing their lives over and over and over again? Nah, no way. I mean, crooks and things of that nature, they might not be academically smart, but they usually have street smarts. And we know sometimes in life, street smarts are more vital and important than academic smarts. I mean, running drugs is a big time industry. Gotta have some smarts, right? And sometimes you might need more than smarts. You might need wit. I can't believe it. Hey, real quick before you leave, quick favor to ask, alright? Nothing major, nothing big here, but if you don't mind clicking that subscribe button before you depart, I would greatly appreciate it, alright? Thank you very much, and come back again. I'll see you real soon.